Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best 20-gallon fish tanks that are available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned aquarist, we've got options for every budget and need. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the Tetra Glass Aquarium 29 gallons. While it's technically a 29-gallon tank, it's often considered by buyers looking for similar-sized aquariums, thanks to its budget-friendly price of $136.79. This tank provides a simple and sturdy design, making it an ideal choice for beginners or anyone who values a no-frills approach to fish keeping. Its glass construction is durable and provides clear visibility, and the rectangular shape offers plenty of swimming space for your fish to thrive. In terms of design, this tank is very basic. But that's not necessarily a bad thing. It doesn't come with accessories, which means you'll need to purchase filtration, lighting, and other components separately. However, this also makes it highly customizable. Measuring 30 inches wide, 12 inches deep, and 18 inches high, it's a decent size for a variety of freshwater or saltwater setups. The biggest pro of the Tetra Glass Aquarium is its affordability. It's the most budget-friendly option on our list. However, the lack of included accessories means that total costs can add up quickly. This tank is perfect for experienced aquarists who already have equipment or know exactly what they need. On the downside, beginners may find the lack of a starter kit daunting. Overall, this is a solid, no-nonsense tank that's great for those on a tight budget. In the number 3 spot, we have the Lifegard Aquatics 20-gallon Rimless clear glass aquarium. This tank is all about sleek, modern design and high-quality craftsmanship. With its rimless construction and ultra-clear glass, it provides an unobstructed view of your aquatic environment, making it a top choice for aquarists who want their tank to be both a functional home for their fish and a stunning display piece. The tank measures 24.4 by 12.2 by 15.74 inches and features 6mm thick glass. The precision-engineered German glue joints ensure durability, while the included dense foam leveling mat provides added protection for your surfaces. One of the standout features of this tank is its versatility. You can use it for freshwater or saltwater fish, and it can also be transformed into a terrarium for reptiles. While this tank doesn't come with any accessories, it's ideal for advanced aquarists who want to customize their setup from the ground up. Its minimalist design is both a strength and a drawback. On the one hand, it's incredibly stylish, but on the other, you'll need to invest in all the necessary components separately. If aesthetics and build quality are your top priorities, this is the tank for you. At number 2, we have the Aqueon 20-gallon aquarium starter kit, priced at $189.99. This is a fantastic all-in-one option for tropical freshwater fish enthusiasts, offering everything you need to get started in one convenient kit. The standout feature here is the Smart Clean internal power filter, which allows for quick and easy water changes, perfect for busy aquarists who want low-maintenance upkeep. The tank comes with a low-profile LED hood that provides vibrant, cool white lighting to showcase your aquatic life. The included 50-watt preset heater keeps the water temperature at a consistent 78 degrees Fahrenheit, ideal for most tropical fish species. Additional accessories include fish food and water conditioner samples, a fish net, thermometer, and a setup guide, making this kit perfect for beginners. The overall build quality is solid, and the Smart Clean filter is a major plus for convenience. However, at nearly $190, it's on the pricier side, and the design might not appeal to those who prefer a rimless or modern look. That said, if you're looking for a reliable, beginner-friendly kit with a focus on ease of use, the Aqueon Starter Kit is an excellent choice. Finally, taking the top spot at number 1 is the Goldfish 20-gallon aquarium kit, priced at $190.49. This tank is a vibrant, colorful choice designed to create a truly unique underwater experience. The kit comes with blue LED lighting and fluorescent decor that transform your aquarium into a glowing neon spectacle, especially when paired with glofish species or similar vibrant tropical fish. The tank is made from scratch-resistant glass and includes a Tetra Whisper 20 filter for quiet and effective filtration. You'll also get a mini UL heater to maintain optimal water temperature, as well as a 13-inch LED light stick, 3 glofish plants, and a glofish yellow anemone to kickstart your aquascaping. The dimensions, 24.2 feet long by 12.4 feet wide by 16.7 feet height, make it a compact yet spacious option for a variety of fish. While this kit is the most expensive on our list, the immersive lighting and decor make it worth the investment for anyone looking to create a visually stunning aquarium. The main drawback is that the aesthetic may not appeal to everyone, particularly those who prefer a natural look. However, for fans of bold, statement piece aquariums, the Glofish 20-gallon aquarium kit is the clear winner. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. See you in the next video.